Hi, this is Greg Bennett back with another Power Minute sales training tip. This one is on staying in what I call the 24-hour window. When all we do is focus on making today excellent. You know, I think salespeople particularly, we walk around with a lot of things on our mind. We think about the past and where we've come from and what is it that we wanted to do and our past aspirations and things we screwed up yesterday or bad calls we had or tough situations. And then we also walk around with this fear of the future. Where am I going and how is my month looking? And I've only got 2 weeks left to make my budget, and what's going to happen with the company this month and this year, and all those things are, you know, we can't help but think about them, or so it seems, but I think we really can help to think about them and start to live just in a 24-hour window and start to train our mind and ourselves to just look at today. Just focus on today. How do I make today excellent? And everything else will take care of itself. This is Greg Bennett. That's your Power Minute.